heart so bold. One more mile and the world feels wide. Summer waiting on the other side. Coffee stop at the edge of town. Flip-flop, laughter, music loud. Ocean breeze in the evening air. Nothing heavy, nothing there. We pack light, but we pack right. Water bottles and the charger lights. Check the tires and the mirrors too. Little things show love is true. No rush, no race, just finding our own space. When we take care before we go, that's how the